Hey, what's up guys? So let me show you what I've done as far as mounting the actual compressors, because I guess this is the spot that everybody puts them at on the vans to make it easy. I just put it right on the actual bumper support for these. Basically I unbolted this side. This side has some kind of weird plate piece that's here. That's over here. It's like an add-on plate to the bumper. It's just hella heavy weight. I'm assuming it's probably for security, so that if I get hit on the driver's side, because you'll notice the whole kind of bar on the front is way thicker on this side than it is on the actual passenger side. It doesn't have that, so I'm assuming it's driver security, but fuck it. So ran the compressor, that piece down, line goes up, wires go up. I'll do all that wiring and everything. And then the passenger side was kind of harder slash easier. What I had to do on this side is I actually turned the tank to the side. Well, turn the compressor to the side, I should say. So instead of it being like the other side over there, the mounting brackets, I changed the mounting brackets so this thing held to the side over here, and then ran the lines. I welded, it looks hideous, I don't care. I welded the actual two metal plates directly to the bumper so that I've got a mounting point for the actual compressor. And then same thing, ran the lines up. And then I'll run the plastic hose fittings. I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna run this metal hose from here and then put a plastic, put the airline on it, run it kind of over here so that it'll kind of follow the other one, which is over here as well too, then run it down to the bottom to the actual compressor tanks. I mean to the air tanks. But yeah, getting there slowly but surely. Thank God for the drinks of choice, Red Bull 805. Oh yes. But yep, that's it for this one.